To explain the bonding and structure of metallic crystals, we assume that the atoms are spherical. The spherical atoms can be packed together in different arrangements. Some arrangements are more efficient ways of packing spheres than others. Body-centered cubic packing is 68% efficient. 68% of the space is occupied by atoms, while 32% is empty space. This is a view of the first layer of spheres in body-centered cubic packing. Click on the second layer button to see how the second layer stacks in body-centered cubic packing. The second layer of atoms stacks in the depressions of the first layer. Click on the third layer button to see how the third layer stacks in body-centered cubic packing. The third layer stacks in the depressions of the second layer. The third layer of atoms has the same arrangement as the first layer. This type of stacking pattern is called an AB-AB pattern because the spheres in every other layer occupy the same position. Click on the Unit Cell button to see the smallest repeating unit of a crystal lattice, which is called the unit cell. The smallest repeating unit of a crystal lattice is called the unit cell. The unit cell of a body-centered cubic packed structure is a body-centered cubic unit cell. Now, let's see how many atoms are contained within one body-centered cubic unit cell. A corner atom or sphere is shared by 8 unit cells. Thus, only 1/8 of a corner atom lies within a given unit cell. A center atom or sphere lies entirely within the given unit cell. In a body-centered cubic unit cell, there is one center atom plus 8 of the 1/8 corner pieces. The number of atoms contained within one body-centered cubic unit cell is 1 for the center atom plus 8 times 1/8 for the corner atoms, which equals 2 atoms per unit cell.